First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the screen recorder page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once done, click Finish to close setup. To make screen record on Windows 10, launch the software and choose the screen size. Select Custom to record a specific area, or choose Full Screen to record the entire screen. Here, we choose Full Screen as an example. Enable System Sound if you want to record the system audio resource. If you want to record the microphone sound, enable the microphone option. You can also record the screen without any sound. After the settings, click Rec or press Alt plus Shift plus C. Then click the Start Recording icon. A short countdown will start before your on-screen actions begin. The software begins recording the screen on your Windows 10. Once finished, click Stop Recording. Then you can copy or save the video on your Windows 10. The video is processed on your Windows 10 and can be saved as an MP4 file in the folder you choose.